Hello folks, today we have a 2016 certified pre-owned Honda Civic EXT. This vehicle is equipped with the Honda 1.5 turbocharged engine, which is going to give you a little bit pep and fuel economy. You're also going to have fog lights on this vehicle, as well as Honda Lane Watch. Now let's take a closer look at some of these interior features. Okay folks, let's take a look at the back of this Honda Civic. You're going to notice it is incredibly spacious in your trunk. You're going to fit any groceries back here with no problems, and it also comes equipped with a spare tire as well. Moving to the back seat of the vehicle, it does have a black cloth interior, which is extremely comfortable, and you have plenty of headroom and legroom in the back. Moving to the front of the vehicle, because it is the EX, you do have heated seats in here as well as Bluetooth capabilities. You're also going to have that moonroof as well. Okay everybody, come on down to 115 Lenz Rd to Delaney Honda here in Indiana, PA. Check out this just in 2016 Honda Civic EXT. This vehicle is certified pre-owned, so you get all types of added warranty and protection with it. Gorgeous modern steel metallic paint job and excellent fuel economy will take you anywhere you need to go these summer months. Come check it out today, and it has less than 35,000 miles on it, folks, so it's like new. Come see it and come check me out too. My name's Tristan. Thank you, folks. Have a great day.